Good morning, Boltu. Did you sleep well?
Beep boop. Robots do not sleep, but I feel happy.
Today I want to go to the beach and explore.
Beep, I love exploring.
Adventure time!
Come on, Boltu. The ocean is waiting for us.
Wait for me. My propeller is not that fast.
Boltu, look. What is that? Far away?
Scanning, scanning. It is very big.
Is that a mountain in the middle of the ocean?
Beep.
My scanner says it is alive. It is moving.
We have to go and see it. Get in, Boltu! Beep. I hope robots can swim, just in case. It is getting closer and bigger, much bigger. Beep. Very, very big. Bigger than a building. Oh my, it is a whale! A giant blue whale! Beep, beep, it is huge! I am scared and amazed. Boltu, there is a village! A real village on the whale! Impossible! But my eyes can see it. It is real! Whale Haven! Oh, this is the most amazing thing ever! Hello? We are friends! Do not be scared! Welcome, child. I am Elder Marina. We have been waiting.
Waiting? For me?
But how do you know me? The whale told us. A brave girl will come from the shore. The whale can talk? Yes, child. But now,
This is the magical spring. It gave life to the whale.
but it is empty. There is no water. Oh no, the whale looks so tired, so sad. I am.
Without the spring, the whale cannot swim. The village will slowly sink into the ocean.
Please help us. I do not want to lose my home. I will help. I promise. Tell me what to do.
You must find 3 things to save the spring. First, the golden coral, deep under the ocean.
The golden coral. Deep underwater?
Second, the song of pearl. Only the singing shell knows it. Beep! A shell that sings? That is strange. Third, togetherness. The spring cannot be fixed alone.
We must all work together. Boltu, are you ready? We are going underwater. Beep! I am waterproof. Let us go save the whale. Be careful. Come back safe. We will come back. I promise. I can breathe. The lantern helps me breathe underwater. Beep! Underwater mode activated. Let us go deep. It is so beautiful down here. Look at the fish. Scanning. I count 412 fish. Everything glows. Like underwater stars. Hello, dolphins! Can you help us? We need the golden coral. Beep! This is faster than my propeller. Whee! The cave, it is very dark, but I must be brave. Beep! My sensors say the golden coral is inside. Stay close, Boltu. Do not be scared.
Robots are not scared.
Maybe a little. The golden coral. It is so beautiful. It glows like gold. Be beautiful and glowing. Careful, Boltu. Very carefully. Gentle mode activated. Beep. Lifting now. We got it. Now swim fast. Out of the cave. We did it. One treasure found. Now the singing shell. My scanner says the singing shell is near. Very near. Are you the singing shell? I am, child. Why do you come to my quiet place? The whale is sick. The spring is dry. We need your song. The Song of Pearl is very old. Only a pure heart can carry the song. Sing for me, child. Sing? Me? I will try. La la la, gentle ocean, kind whale, please be well.
Your heart is pure, child. Take the song of pearl.
Remember, child, together you can move mountains. Thank you, singing shell. I will not let you down. We have 2 treasures. Now we need the 3rd, togetherness. We need everyone. We are back. We are coming, whale. Hold on.
They are back! They are back!
Aria! Boltu! We have the golden coral and the song of pearl.
Wonderful. Now comes the hardest part. This stone fell and blocked the spring. We must move it.
It is so heavy. Can we move it?
Beep! Too heavy, even for a robot.
I cannot do it alone either. It is too big.
Remember the 3rd treasure, togetherness.
Everyone, we must do this together. Every person. If we all push, we can move this stone.
I am small, but I am strong.
I will push.
Together now, on the count of 3. 1. 2.
3. Push! Everyone push! It is moving! Do not stop! Push!
Beep! Light! I see light! Keep pushing!
The spring! It is flowing again! Golden Corral. Song of Pearl. And togetherness.
I can feel the water. I can feel life again. Thank you.
The whale is swimming.
We saved the whale! Beep, beep, beep!
We did it! Happy heart!
Our home is saved!
Thank you, Aria! Thank you, Boltu!
Tonight we celebrate. Aria and Boltu saved our home.
Boltu, you are my favorite robot in the world! Beep! And you are my favorite tiny human!
You were very brave today, Aria. I was scared, but I did not stop. This pearl will glow whenever you need courage.
I will keep it forever. Thank you, Elder Marina. Boltu, do you think we will have more adventures? Beep, I hope so. I love adventures with you.
The whale is thanking us. It is taking us somewhere.
A new island. It is so beautiful.
This is my gift to you. A new home.
Safe and beautiful.
A new beginning for all of us.
I love our new home. And the beach. Thank you, beautiful whale. You are amazing. Thank you, Aria. You saved my life. Goodbye, whale. I will never forget you. We are home because we work together. Boltu, I learned something today. What did you learn, Aria? When we work together, we can move mountains.